Today we are going to talk about how you can use Pinterest for your e-commerce store. Do you have e-shop? Do you have an online store and you don't know how to promote your business on Pinterest? You are watching this video and that's right, because I'm going to show you how I am using for my e-com store Pinterest and to promote my products, how to sell through Pinterest. So let's talk about it in this next video. Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest manager and ad specialist. I'm here to help you to see the full potential, and especially in this video, I wanted to show you how you can use Pinterest for e-commerce store, because that's the question, how you drive traffic to your store to be able to sell your products. So let's go back to video and see how we can do it. So we are back, and this is our video about e-commerce store and Pinterest, how you drive traffic to your store. So here we have my e-shop with my husband, travel gear e-shop. We sell products, travel accessories, travel essentials. You can really use when you travel for a long time or short time, because we use all these products and we try them, we test them, use them on our trips. We travel a lot, and here we made this platform. We can sell these products because we really believe they help you. They help you on your trips, basically. So you can see here, this is the homepage, and also I show you Pinterest account we made together with this e-shop, because we want to promote and drive traffic through the social media, in this case through Pinterest, to our e-shop. How did we do it? How we can do it? So basically, we set up the e-shop and we set up the Pinterest account, business account. We connect it all through Shopify, because we are using Shopify platform for our e-commerce store. Maybe you are also using it. So you connect everything with Pinterest, and now what is the strategy, right? You see here we create a lot of pins for our products, different ways. Sometimes we show them in the live scenario, so the real photos, like this one here. You see we have a couple of pictures in the live scenario. So how are we going to use these products when we travel? You see this is the water filter, for example, how you can filter the water. We use also short videos when we travel, and we show you basically how you can use these products when you travel. So you can see just the different varieties and designs of our pins. It's basically to promote your products different way than just putting making like the classic square pictures of your product from your product pages like this, that you want basically, just show the product with a white background. You see these pictures here. Some of them are the classic ones you have for your e-shop, for your e-commerce store. But this is not really visually appealing for the user on Pinterest, because you see there are millions and millions of pins. So how you really make the difference on Pinterest? You are going to actually create pins with showing the benefits of your products and showing how you can use the products in your in real life. So I'm going to show you, for example, here we have video, for example, here. This is our trip to Spain, and we are showing the beauty of Spain, plus it's a short video which we made video pins, and plus we are showing our products. This is the backpack, foldable backpack we use everywhere. It's a small one. You can like fold it and make it very small, and you can easily show, okay, I want this backpack, because you can take it anywhere. But you are not showing it, okay, this is the backpack, the picture from our e-shop that's like white background, buy this bag because it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing, but you want to show it how we actually use it. You can just put it on your bag and use it. So, or for example, here, this is our medicine like a packet box, and we already show you how you can put all the medicines there, use it anywhere, and make sure you have always your medicine next to you, with you, when you travel, so you can feel safe everywhere, because you are making sure you have all the necessary small things, medicines for your trip. Here I'm showing, for example, travel accessory, Bluetooth, Lenovo earphones, which we use all the time when you travel. You want to listen to music, you want to do things. You just basically showing, you see, you put your face there, showing the products. You have some fun also making them. So this is how you can promote your products in a also fun way and in a very good way, your products on Pinterest. So if you like these videos, have a look for more videos, because I have a lot of videos here. Every week I'm putting more. Subscribe here for this channel. Follow me for more tips about Pinterest for business, and I see you in next time.